Want to strengthen your shoulders and achieve stable shoulder muscles? Look no further. In this video, we will dive into the world of shoulder sculpting exercises that will help you achieve strong and stable shoulders in no time. Shoulder strength training. One of the most effective ways to sculpt your shoulder muscles is through strength training exercises. These exercises are designed to target the muscles in and around your shoulders, helping to build strength and stability. One popular exercise is the shoulder press. Start by standing straight with a dumbbell in each hand. Bring the dumbbells up to shoulder level, palms facing forward. Press the weights directly upward, extending your arms fully. Lower the dumbbells back to shoulder level and repeat. This exercise targets the deltoid muscles, which are responsible for shoulder strength and stability. Another great exercise for sculpting your shoulders is the upright row. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a barbell or dumbbells in front of your thighs. Keep your elbows close to your body and slowly lift the weight up towards your chin, leading with your elbows. Lower the weight back down and repeat. This exercise primarily targets the muscles of your upper back and shoulders. Stable shoulders workout. In addition to strength training exercises, incorporating stability exercises into your shoulder workout routine is essential for achieving strong and stable shoulders. One effective stability exercise is the plank. Start by getting into a push-up position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Engage your core and hold this position for as long as you can, focusing on keeping your body straight and your shoulders stable. This exercise not only targets your shoulder muscles but also helps improve overall core strength and stability. Another stability exercise to include in your routine is the shoulder stability ball exercise. Begin by lying face down on a stability ball, with your hips aligned with the center of the ball. Place your hands on the floor in front of you and slowly roll the ball forward, extending your arms in front of you while maintaining balance. Roll the ball back to the starting position and repeat. This exercise challenges your shoulder stability while engaging your core muscles. Incorporating these shoulder sculpting exercises into your workout routine will help you achieve strong and stable shoulders. Remember to start with lighter weights and gradually increase as you build strength. Always listen to your body, adjusting the exercises to fit your fitness level. Get ready to sculpt those shoulders and show off your hard work.